Okay, students, this is Slope-Intercept Form, Part 5. The question reads, there were 900 students enrolled in the high school in 2009 and 1,500 enrolled in the same school in 2012. The student enrollment in the high school is P and has increased at a constant rate each year since 2009. Since it is a constant rate, that means we're talking about a linear equation. The first thing they want us to do is write the given enrollment numbers as a pair of points in the form T, P. Okay, so some students may want to write 2009 as the year, but I'm going to actually ask you guys to just write, because we're starting in 2009, it's going to be a 0, and then because it's the very beginning. And then the next year, 2012, that's 3 years later. And so our next pair of ordered points is going to start with a 3. So we're just going to be counting the years instead of using the actual years. Okay, so we have the T for time, and now we are looking for the P, which is the student enrollment in the high school. It tells you that right in the question. Okay, so in year 0, 2009, there were 900. Take a minute to think. How many were there in year 3? Look at the question. Okay, so now we have our 2 paired of order points. The next thing they want you to do is find the slope of the line passing through the pair of ordered points from point A. And so for here, you're going to use the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You're going to use that to come up with a ratio. I'm not going to do it for you. You will have a number here and a number there. You can even reduce it. So then that is how you find the slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I might even just help you a little bit more right here. Okay, ordered pairs go x and then y, right? So that's your x1 and your y1. And down here, the second set is x2, y2. So those little labels might help you to do the math for this. Okay, so then you'll have a slope. Then they want you to write an equation that relates the high school's enrollment to the number of years since 2009. And so this is, okay, this is part B. Sort of. And then, so part C is there, it's a linear equation, y equals mx plus b. But this time they don't want you to use x and y. They want you to use, let's see, the student's enrollment, P, equals m, that's your slope, times x, but instead of x, they want you to write t. Plus b. I'll give you a hint. There is going to be no y-intercept because, as you can see, one of our... Oh, no, that's not true. I'm sorry. Forget what I just said. There is going to be a y-intercept. You can get it right from one of your pairs of ordered points up there. Okay, so you will have solved for the slope in part B. That's what's going to go here for your m. P stays as P. T stays as T. And then B, that's your y-intercept. Y-intercept. And I'll go ahead and give this to you because I may have confused you a few minutes ago. Okay, so since our first set of ordered pair has a 0 and a 900, that means when x is 0, y is 900. That is your y-intercept, 900. Okay? Then they want you to predict for part D, they want you to predict the high school's enrollment in 2017. So let's see, how can I help you with this? 2017 is going to be year what? If 2009 was year 0, then 2017 must be year 8. Okay? So 8 is going to be what you plug in for T. So that's what you're going to plug into the equation you found in C. Okay?